क्या फुल होना नहीं है। सर गुड आफ्टरनून सर।
हेलो, आ जाओ। Hello all. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Sir.
So how about your
Quarantine holidays.
yes? I think all are safe.
Yes, sir.
Number one, you got some problem.
Cure అయిపోయింది సార్
Okay.
దాదాపుగా.
Can we start?
ఎస్ సార్.
Everyone? Can I?
సార్ 33 మెంబర్స్ జాయిన్ అయ్యారు సార్ ఇంకా.
Okay, no problem. Can we start?
ఎస్ సార్.
We'll wait for 5 more minutes to join the remaining ones.
Hi, sir.
Okay, can we start? Hello all.
Sir, start చేద్దాం sir.
Yes. Okay. How are you? Right. We'll start the things.
Okay, sir.
I think there is a lot gap for us from the design and analysis of algorithms, right?
Yes, sir.
The name of the course is Design and Analysis of Algorithms, right? In that, we are mainly focusing on the design techniques from the unit 2 onwards. Unit 2 onwards, we are focusing on the design techniques. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. వినిపిస్తుంది.
Yeah. Design technique, the first design technique we design and analysis. The first design technique we focus is divide and conquer.
సార్ మీరు అందరినీ మ్యూట్ చేసేయండి సార్.
Ah,
మీరు అందరినీ మ్యూట్ చేయండి సార్.
మీరు మాట్లాడుతున్నారా?
మ్యూట్ చేయండి సార్.
అందరినీ మ్యూట్ చేయండి సార్, అప్పుడు మీకు ఫ్రీగా ఉంటది.
ఓకే,
అందరినీ మ్యూట్ చేస్తే వాళ్ళ వాయిస్ వినపడదు సార్.
సరే మాట్లాడకుండా ఉండండి, నేను చెప్తాను, మీరు మధ్యలో జస్ట్ రెస్పాన్సెస్ ఉండండి, మాట్లాడబాకండి ఎవరు. జస్ట్ యూ గివ్ ద రెస్పాన్స్, yes like that, right? We are focused on divide and conquer. In that divide and conquer, just I am recalling what we have done in the last 2 months back. We started with the design and analysis of algorithms. What we have done, I would like to recall, and then I start with the current session because there is a big gap of time, right? So divide and conquer, we focused on we have considered the design technique called divide and conquer. In that, we discussed mainly about merge-sort, quick-sort, Strasson's matrix multiplication, etc. minimum maximum element in an array. Likewise, we have discussed, right? Later, we moved into some new design technique, which focused on greedy method. In that greedy method, we discussed about knapsack problem. Knapsack problem, which is a very important problem for your exams. In knapsack problem, how to do the problem, we have considered a simple problem and all. We have done the things. Later, minimum cost spanning tree. In that minimum cost spanning tree, we have done trims and lists. Likewise, we concluded greedy method. Later, we moved to dynamic programming. Dynamic programming, how can we recognize the dynamic programming? I told, like, there is a formula. Everywhere you have a formula, and whenever you obtain simple in the first step, if you have completed something, that can be utilized in the next coming steps. That is all about dynamic programming. We have done something, some problems comes under dynamic programming, like multi-stage graph, which is a very important problem. In every design technique, I am insisting on what are the very important problems. Here in dynamic programming, also multi-stage graph is very important problem. Those are all we practice, and I am suggesting all the members, all our friends, to mention the algorithms also, relative algorithms for each topic. You try to write how not only solving a problem, try to write an algorithm. How to write an algorithm, I have shown very important steps how to write the algorithm for every problem. Whatever the things done to solve a problem, those things we need to write in a sequential order in order to be like a algorithm. For that, we have discussed some technical issues also. What is algorithm, everything. What are the guidelines you have to follow while you are writing an algorithm also. I framed everything we have discussed in the first unit we have discussed. So those can be utilized for every problem, for every design technique. Right, the first design technique, divide and conquer, 3D method, dynamic programming. After that, the important technique is backtracking. After that, branch and bound. So these are the very important, these are the major design techniques in our syllabus. So I need to finish with backtracking and branching board, these two design techniques. So today I start with backtracking. Backtracking, what is a backtracking design technique? How we can use that? I will show you some simple problem about backtracking in the backtrack. I will show you simple problem. Right? So everyone are here? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right. I think it is 47. The voice is from 47.
Yes, sir. 47, sir. Hi, sir.
So totally, friends, 51 friends are there. So right, we'll start with backtracking. So generally, what is the meaning of the word backtrack? First, we need to know that. General English meaning of backtrack. What is a backtrack? Suppose if you want to do a, if you want to solve a particular problem, we'll choose randomly one way, and we try to acquire a solution. If you are unable to acquire a solution for that problem in the way chosen, we'll backtrack every time, and we'll choose another way. Again, we start solving the problem. If you are able to get the problem, we'll stop the things. If not, we'll move to the another way. Likewise, there are different ways to solve a problem in the backtrack. Please write down the problems. Write down the important steps. First, what is backtracking? Backtracking is a one design technique. It is one design technique like divide and conquer, greedy method, dynamic programming, etc. These are all the different design techniques. Backtracking is one such design technique. That is the first point of being backtrack. Second point is how we will do the how backtracking will be works is like this.
Hello.
There is a large search space. There is assumed to be a large search space. In that search space, we'll try to solve the problem in one way. If solution is obtained, happy. If not, we'll backtrack. We'll come back to the where we started. We'll generally start with the root node. From the root node, we'll in the search space tree, we'll call the data structure is called state space tree. This is very important 1 mark question. What is a state space tree? State space. Hello. It is a state space tree. State space tree is a data structure, like it is a tree only. Like you studied data structures course, what is a tree? Likewise, state space tree is a tree. That tree data structure we will use in solving the backtracking problems. That is one important 1 mark question I have. That is a search space tree. That means we will use to solve the problem. If we, as I told you earlier, we will start with solving in one way. If you are obtaining the solution, if not, we'll come back and do in another way. That is a backtrack. So the important problem is like this: 4 queens problem. So very important problem. 4 queens problem. See the 4 queens problem. In the 4 queens problem, what is given to you is the 4x4 chessboard. Here you're seeing the 4x4 chessboard. 4 into 4, 16 places are there, and also it is given 4 queens. 4 queens is nothing but a 4 objects: Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. That means 4 objects are given to you. The input is 4x4 chessboard and 4 queens. What you need to do, that is, you need to place 4 queens on a chessboard such that there should not be an attack. What is an attack? It is a one more question. Please note down the things, whatever I am saying. Previously I told you what is a state space tree. That is one important one more question. Now here one more question is, what is attack? Attack in the sense, no 2 queens should be on a same row or a same column or in a same diagonal. Here you observe, I placed different queens Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4 in various blocks. This is the solution. How to do that solution I will show you in the further slides. Here you see there are different queens Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. Here no 2 queens are in attack position. That means no 2 queens are in a same row or a same column or a same diagonal. All are different. You can observe it. Right. How to do that? This is a complete state space tree. This is a complete state space tree. Here from this entire tree we will choose this solution tree. As you observe, here numbers are like this: 1, 1, 2. It is a depth wise: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After completion 6, 7. Then one branch will be complete. Next another branch 8. You see the numbers 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then one more branch is completed. After that 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Then one complete the branches of 2 are completed. See carefully here: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One branch is completed. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. One more branch. One more branch of 2. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. One more branch of 2. Now total 2 for the subtree. For the total subtree up to 17 it is completed. After 17, 18 is started. For 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. One sub branch of 18. After that 24, 25, 20. These are all the entire possibilities to solve the problem. Actually, these are all the entire possibilities to solve the problem. After that 34, after that 50. Likewise, please see the numbers. Now this is a complete state space tree to solve the problem. In that state space tree, we will consider these are the things. These are the things. This is the solution. From this entire state space tree, we will consider only the solution like this. Here for some nodes, I mentioned B. B in the sense of the dead node. Please note down the points I am mentioning, because this is a very important and tough problem also. B in the sense the nodes called dead nodes. Actually, before going, I will show you some types of the nodes. First type of the node is called a live node. What is a live node? A node which is generated and the children are not yet generated is called a live node. That means, suppose if you consider any one node 1, there are no children for that node, then that is called a live node. If the children are generated, then the live node becomes E node. E node. After E node, if you are unable to extend the nodes, that means from that point of view we cannot able to extend the tree. then that is called a dead node. As you see in this state space tree, B, wherever the B is there, um, the B is there now, that is a dead node. That means it cannot be extended. And one more thing, this solution is 1, 2. After that, so many branches are there. Sorry, so many nodes are there. 1, 18. You observe these are taken from this state space tree only. 1 to 18. We are neglecting 34 and 50. If you consider 34 and 50, you will get one more solution for this problem. Do you hear me, everyone? I think everyone are following.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. That 34 and 50. If 34 and 50, if you consider, you can get one more solution. But for present instance, we are considering 1 to 18, up to that only. 1 to 18. From that 1 to 18, here we are considering some nodes are became dead. Some nodes are became dead. That's why we cannot further extend those nodes. Our nodes ni malli mana extend cheyalem. We are unable to extend. And here all are dead nodes. But if you consider the last step, x1 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to 4, x3 is equal to 1, x4 is equal to 3. This you need to remember. Very important. Here down you have in a red color. X1 is equal to 1 means Q1 placed in first column. X1 is equal to 1 means Q1 placed in first column. Likewise, here all of you take one pen and paper. Here x1 is equal to 2. What is the meaning of that? X1 is equal to 2. X1 is equal to 2. X1 is equal to 1 means Q1 placed in first column. X1 is equal to 2 means what? X1 is equal to 2 means Q1 placed in second column. Am I right? Q1 placed in second column. That is what here Q1 is placed in second column. You observe here. Q1 placed in second column. Q1 is in second column. Now X1 is equal to 2 is over. X2 is equal to 4. What is the meaning of X2 is equal to 4? Q2 placed in fourth column. X2 is equal to 4 means Q2 placed in fourth column. You observe here. Q2 is in fourth column. Q2 fourth column lo undi chudandi. Q2 fourth column. Now come here. X3 is equal to 1. X3 is equal to 1 means what? Q3 placed in first column. Q3 placed in first column. You observe here. First column there is a Q3. In the first column, Q3 is there. After that, X4 is equal to 3. X4 is equal to 3 means what? Q4 placed in third column. Q4 placed in third column. In the third column, there is Q4 here. You observe. Likewise, wherever the B occurred in this tree, that is not going to be a solution for us. Those are all becomes dead nodes. How they are became dead nodes, I will explain you. Don't worry. So just to understand how we can get the solution. In the last branch, there is no dead node. There is no B. B అనేది లేదు last లో. That you consider as a solution to this problem. X1 is equal to 2, X2 is equal to 4, X3 is equal to 1, X4 is equal to 3. All those things we can consider like a solution to our problem. Solution to our problem. Right? Yeah. What? What? Fine. One more time, I want like to repeat. X1 is equal to 1 means Q1 placed in first column. Likewise, here you need to understand X1 is equal to 2, X2 is equal to 4, X3 is equal to 1, X4 is equal to 3. You just write on a pen and paper. Take a pen and paper and write further. X1 is equal to 2 means what, X2 is equal to 4 means what, X3 is equal to 1 means what, X4 is equal to 3 means what. All those things you write on a pen and paper that you can map with this solution. How we got this? This is a complete state space tree. This is a solution state space tree. Solution for the state space tree. Right. I explained about what are the different types of nodes. Different types of nodes. These are important for 1 month. Live node, E node, depth. Now, come to control abstraction. This control abstraction, I told you, control abstraction is the general algorithm. General algorithm for entire design technique. Likewise, remaining design techniques also we have understood what is a control abstraction. Here also, the control abstraction is backtracking process. We solve the state space tree up to k minus 1 values, 0 to k minus 1 values. Wherever this path gives a correct answer node, then we will write it as a solution. Otherwise, we'll backtrack. Every time we'll do the backtracking process if we are not getting a correct solution. This is a control abstraction. This is about the different types of nodes. How this B occurred. How this B. Now come here. Now we start with here Q1. We'll start with Q1 placed in first column. X1 is equal to 1. Q1 placed in first column. If you pull X2 is equal to 2, that is Q2 placed in second column. Here, this is Q1 placed in first column. After that, Q1 placed in first column. In the second step, Q1 placed in first column. If you Q2 placed in second column, then here there is a attack. So that's why then consent thing is becomes dead node. Then we'll move to Q2 placed in second column. Here also diagonal attack. Here column attack occurred. Here diagonal attack. Here diagonal attack occurs. So we'll move to Q2 placed in third column. Here there is no attack, but temporarily. That is also temporarily. But whenever if you consider Q3 here, this is also a row column attack here. If not, if you consider here diagonal attack. If you consider here column attack. If you consider here diagonal attack. Likewise, here anywhere there is no solution to place Q3. So let us go backtrack. This is what here we are coming from this place to this place. Here backtrack. Because here in the first phase, here Q2 is in third column. We satisfied temporarily, but whenever if you want to do for Q3, you have different solutions you obtain, but Q3 is nowhere. You cannot able to place Q3 anywhere. This is what obtained due to improper placing of Q2 in a third column. So that's why we backtrack and move it to the fourth column. Now again we'll start. We'll try to start Q3 here. There is a column attack. Here there is no attack. We temporarily satisfied. But here if you move put Q4 here, no position to place Q4. Every time Q4 getting a problem. Q4 is not getting. So we need to move to the one, change the position of this one. This is what up to sorry. So as I mentioned, you these here there is a line I have drawn, black line that represents up to uh, up to up to this first branch we are not satisfied. So x1 is equal to 1. We are unable to solve. Everywhere you got B, 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 B. That means fx are obtained in here. So that's why x1 is equal to 1. We move to x1 is equal to 2. And we tried different places. There also we get dead note, get dead note. So that's why at last it fits to these four things. X1 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to 4, like this. So those that will be chosen as a one solution. So I think for the first time, I hope some people can definitely be confused. I am strongly recommending you to take a pen and paper, solve this problem. So in the first instance, more than 50% students can get confusion. I don't mind, no problem. I can repeat again and again. No problem. You try to solve this problem first. Whenever you get doubts, I will rectify it. No problem. For the first time, you cannot get you'll be satisfied, right? So some people are raising the hands. So tell me what you have any doubts. Hello. I'm seeing your charts. I will try to give the. Yeah, wow. First question raised by Amjad Bhai, I think. Why only 3 children where one has 4 children? Uh, yes, we have 4. One, the node 1 has 4 children. So yes, it is right. From that, we will choose. One has 4 children means we have 4 choices of doing the things. From that 4 choices, we are selecting 2 choices. 2 choices we are selecting to get a solution. $31, yeah, Raja, 31 cannot be a dead node. Why you asked? Yes, 31 will not become a dead node because whenever the attack occurs, then only we'll consider it is a dead node. When the dead node occurs means attack. Whenever there is an attack, you consider it as a dead node. Yes, Raja, it is like a Sudoku game only. Khalid is saying hi to everyone. Any questions from students? Have any questions? Total 57 participants, a good number of participants. One thing I want to do, just for all the slides, I will move one more time all the slides. Just to briefly, what is what? What? The topic is backtracking. What is a backtracking definition I given here? What is a fork means problem? And the solution also I have shown. This is the solution, probable solution. This is a complete state space tree. The complete state space tree. From this, we will choose 1 to 18. 1 to 18 up to that one. One can try by choosing 13450 also. He may get one more solution. 13450. Likewise, that is in the beginning only Q1 placed in third column, Q1 placed in fourth column. Likewise, anyone can choose 1 to 34 also. He may get one more solution. But for the present instance, I have chosen 1 to 18 up to that. 1 to 18 only up to that only. I have chosen. Here I chosen, but some became dead nodes. In the last branch, I got the solution. It does not mean that always we get the solution in the last branch only. In the middle branches also we may get solution. But for this present problem, we got the solution in the last branch. How these are B occurred, dead nodes occurred means here the attacks happened. I told you, different attacks happened here. We changed our mindset from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th. After 5th chessboard, we changed our complete mindset and moved to x1 is equal to 2. That you must remember. Please be mentioned here. After that black line, we changed our mindset that first branch, that is x1 is equal to 1, will not work. X1 is equal to 1 will not work. We came into that decision and we changed x1 is equal to 2. We change it to x1 is equal to 2. That is nothing but a backtracking. We move to x1 is equal to 2. X1 is equal to 2, we moved and we focused on second branch. And these are the different second branch we focused. and we got the solution at the end. Here the types of the nodes: live node, E node, dead node. This is a control abstraction for the backtracking. That is nothing but an algorithm for a backtracking. You can write the algorithm also in the similar way. Right? You can try this problem. You can ask me by telephone or a WhatsApp. You can ask me. If you have any questions, you can ask. Mugdala Chinni. Rather than choosing trial and error method, is there any technique or a process to find? No. This is a trial and error only. This is a trial and error thing only. Mugdala Chinni. Someone sent me a private message that rather than choosing the trial and error method, is there any technique or process to find the solution? No, it is a trial and error method only. Sri Lakshmi, I think lateral entry, no doubts. So what are the different applications for state space? I will explain the applications where it can be useful. I will explain. These state space tree applications are more suitable in artificial intelligence and robotics, where you can control the movements of the robo. If the robo go in a one way, whether any obstacle occurs, it backtrack and moves to the another way. That you can Akhil, you ask about the application for a state space tree. X is equal to 3, X is equal to 4. Yeah, yes, we did not choose in that. Akhil, X is equal to 3, X is equal to 4, X1 is equal to 3, X1 is equal to 4. We did not choose in those part. If you choose and try that, you can get one more solution. This may not take more time, but of course it may take some sort of time, but not much amount of time. Khalil by asking 18 and 19 why we got a dead node. 18 and 19. Whenever the attack occurs, we consider it as a dead node. The attack occurs, we can consider it as a dead node. Any questions? I'm strongly recommending you to solve the problem by taking pen and paper. Then you can get some more doubts. We can discuss. I hope you enjoyed, right? So thank you, Anandal. Bye. We'll meet on tomorrow.